Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're at the Mockup studio, or as you can see, the design studio, and we're going to see on how to create a mockup and add it to our website. So first we're going to choose our mockup over here. We can just choose a simple one for the tutorial. I'm just going to choose this one. Second, we're going to upload our media. You choose the image that you want, and over here you can scale it as you would wish. You can color filter. You can also set it to smooth. It will smoothen a little bit the picture. You can add text. You can choose the font size and what font do you want. After you're done, you can click over here on done. And after, see result. Once you click on see result, it's going to show you a little result of what the mockup would look like. After that, you can choose the size of the image that you want to download. Once you chose it, you can click on download, and that picture will download to your computer. Once it's downloaded, we can close this and go to our editor, and over here is where we're going to add our picture. We're going to go over here, image, we're going to click on this first image over here and change image. We can see that our mockup needs to be uploaded. I'm just going to click on it and open it. Once it uploads it, we can click on the image and click confirm, and our mockup will be added to our website. This is how you create and add a mockup to our website. Thank you for watching and have a great day.